6 steps to transform your life. 1. Awaken awareness. Transformation begins the moment you see your patterns instead of being trapped by them. Number 2. Release the old. Let go of toxic habits, relationships, and beliefs that drain your energy. Number 3. Claim your power. Take ownership of your choices. Stop blaming circumstances. Step into responsibility. Number 4. Master your energy. Guard your body, emotions, and thoughts. What you feed grows. Nourish strength, peace, and clarity. Number 5. Serve a greater purpose. Life expands when you align your actions with something larger than yourself. And number 6. Return to the source. Stay rooted in presence, gratitude, and balance. This is where lasting change becomes who you are. Follow for more warrior wisdom and life-changing truth.